All right, week 9, here we go. You guys are in the fourth quarter of these workouts and you're doing a great job. So this week what we're going to do is we're going to start out with a little bit of speed and agility work. So you're going to sprint up to, we got lines, but you can do whatever you want. So set 3 different lengths of which you're going. So you sprint up to the first one, back pedal, sprint up to the second, back pedal, sprint to the last one. So the next ball handling drill we're going to do is we're going to work on our inside out dribble. So we're just going to take our right hand and we're just going to dribble inside out. So notice that the hand is going on the outside of the ball, then the inside of the ball, and we're alternating that back and forth. And then we're going to go to our left hand. And so we're going to go 30 seconds with our right hand, 30 seconds with our left hand, and really working on that control of the basketball and working with both hands to make sure that both hands are getting really good at controlling that ball. Then we're going to go the forward and backwards. So the same thing now. So notice how the hand goes in the back of the ball and then the front of the ball. We're going to go with our right hand for 30 seconds. And then once we get done with that, then we're going to go to our left hand. Then we're going to move on to a 3-cone dribbling and pivoting drill. So we're going to dribble up to the first cone, cross over, and then once you get to the last cone, you're going to be pivoting. So as we get to the front pivot, then we're dribbling up the right hand, crossover, left hand, front pivot. Now we go out with the left hand, crossover, and then we go to our right hand, and then we can jump stop and front pivot. And then we go right hand out, crossover, jump stop. Now we're going to reverse pivot. Okay, so you're going to go 30 seconds with your front pivots, and then we're going to go 30 seconds with the reverse pivot. So coming out with the same side of the cone that you're dribbling with that hand, crossing over, then get to a jump stop, and then get to your pivot, working in our different. Next, what we're going to do is work on our dribbling, our pivoting, and also our finishing with either a layup or a jump shot. So you're just going to start underneath the hoop. You're going to dribble out with your right hand to start. You're going to jump stop at the cone or whatever you have set up. You get a front pivot, then dribble back and either shoot a layup or you can shoot a jump shot with your right hand. You're going to shoot 5 on the right side and then you're going to switch over to the left side. So do the same thing where you dribble out now with your left hand. You're going to front pivot and then you're going to dribble with your left hand back for either left-handed layup or a shot on the left-hand side of the hoop. Once you get done with that, we're going to repeat it again with the right side, but now we're going to do reverse pivot. So we're dribbling out with our right hand, reverse pivot, and then we come in for a right-handed layup or a shot on the right-hand side of the hoop. And so you're going to do 5 of those on the right side. Once you get done with the right side, then you're going to switch over to the left side. So now we're going to dribble out with our left hand, jump stop, reverse pivot, dribble back with our left hand into a left-handed layup or a shot on the left side if that left-handed layup is still kind of something we are working on. And so just keep working on it wherever the level that you are at. Yep. And then the last drill that we're going to work on is we're going to work on some shooting. So we're just going to make this a fun game for shooting. And so you get to shoot wherever you want to shoot from today. And so you shoot from wherever you want. The only rule is that if you make a shot, you got to change this spot. So you can't just shoot from the same spot over and over again. You're going to shoot for a minute and you're going to record how many shots you make. And so you just keep shooting. If you make it, you move to a different spot. If you miss it, you can stay at that same spot until you make it if you want. You can shoot close to the hoop. You can shoot far from the hoop, whatever you want to do. The only rule is that once you make it, you got to switch the spot in which you're shooting from. And again, just shoot for a minute, have fun with it, and get competitive with yourself. If you do it again, try to beat your record that you maybe made the last time. Maybe challenge yourself with different spots. So keep up the great work. You guys are doing a great job.